Aunt Jackie's coconut cream line. Let's talk about it. Hi everyone, I'm Daniela and I post curly hair videos every Wednesday here on my channel. So if you love learning about new products or if you love watching wash and go reviews, keep watching. So today's wash and go will consist of all Aunt Jackie products. So we're going to start off with the Cocoa Wash Coconut Milk Conditioning Cleanser. And then we're going to follow up with the Cocoa Repair Coconut Cream Deep Conditioner and the Buttercream Intensive Moisture Sealant. And finally, the Curl Boss Coconut Curling Jelly. So this line is focused on hydrating and repairing your curls, which is always great no matter what stage you're in when transitioning. So if you're interested in hearing my honest review on this line, keep watching. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you love learning about new and old hair products, or if you just enjoy watching wash and go reviews like I do. So I have type 3B curls that have been bleached over and over again, so this line hopefully will be very beneficial to me. So I'm gonna kind of walk you guys through the step-by-step process of how I use these products. So first off, I wash my hair with the Cocoa Wash and Conditioning Cleanser. This is a co-wash rather than a shampoo, which is definitely beneficial when you suffer from very dry hair. Ideally, this is supposed to, quote, leave your hair clean and free of impurities while feeling touchably softer, unquote. Which I can definitely attest to. When I was washing my hair, it literally felt like I was washing my hair with a lathering conditioner. So this is pretty liquidy in consistency, but I personally didn't mind. It's definitely thinner than a shampoo, but that did not take away from how moisturizing this product was on my hair. So the key ingredients include coconut milk and apple cider vinegar, which makes sense because my hair did feel squeaky clean afterwards. Apple cider vinegar is a great product to look for when you're looking for a clarifying product or just a product to help you remove buildup in general. Apple cider vinegar is a great ingredient for that. All in all, I gave this product a 10 out of 10 because of how well it cleansed my hair. I've used a few co-washes in the past that I feel like didn't clean my hair as well as I'd like it to. But for this being a co-wash and how clean my hair was afterwards, I am blown away, and it definitely was still very hydrating on my hair. It wasn't as stripping as a shampoo, so I would definitely recommend. I then followed up with the Cocoa Repair Coconut Cream Deep Conditioner. We have coconut, avocado, mango, and flaxseed in here, all teaming up to repair damage, soften, shine, and hydrate the hairs. According to the product, this is especially good from 2C to 4C hair textures, so that's a pretty wide range in my opinion. And it's also free of petroleum and mineral oil, which typically weigh your hair down, which you guys know I hate products that weigh my hair down, so this is a plus for me. I leave this on for about 5 minutes and then I go ahead and detangle and rinse it out thoroughly. Overall, I definitely do feel like this product was very moisturizing in my hair. Starting off with the clean slate after the cocoa wash, I feel like that definitely brought a lot of moisturizing agents back into my hair, and it feels pretty moisturized, pretty hydrated. So I'm excited to move on to the next step. This was a pretty thick product, which is something I look for when I'm on the hunt for a moisturizing product. Typically, if you notice, a lot of more hydrating products are on the thicker side, so I did enjoy that, and I definitely feel like it was like butter on my hair. Overall, from what my hair feels, I definitely give this, I want to say like a 8 out of 10. All right, for leave-in, we're using the Buttercream Intensive Moisture Sealant, and it's enriched with coconut and castor oil. Love a good castor oil moment. Okay, yeah, not the biggest fan of the scent of this one. At least for the other two, it's just smelled like straight up coconut. For this one, it smells like coconut mixed with something else, and I'm just not a fan. Oh yeah, no, don't like it. As for consistency, it's pretty thick, which not sure how I'm gonna feel about it because you guys know I don't really like very heavy products on my hair because I do like as much volume as I can get, so I do typically go for lighter hair creams, but let's see. Okay, so far I don't mind it. I like how easily it glides on my hair. It's literally like butter. Because I know there's a lot of thicker products on the market that once you put them on your hair, you literally have to like work through your hair. And this one just kind of like goes right on and it just like glides through, which I really like. The smell actually doesn't bother me as much as I thought it would. It's not like overbearing or anything, but still, if you don't like coconut, I wouldn't recommend you try this. Like right now, like I smell it a little bit, but it's like it just goes away after a second. Because of how thick this product is, I'm gonna go ahead with my wet brush and run it through my hair just to make sure that my hair is evenly saturated, you know, all that jazz. Alrighty then, this is what we're working with. And lastly, we have the Curl Boss Coconut Curling Gel. This is enriched with coconut oil. So this is lightweight, it controls frizz, and it delivers impressive definition, shine, and softness without a stiff, tacky feel. And it helps minimize shrinkage. We love a good minimal shrinking moment. So I personally hate shrinkage. I am a volume queen. So sometimes I have to give up some definition for longer, fuller hair. And honestly, I have no issues with that. How do you guys feel about shrinkage? Do you prefer shrinkage and a more defined look? Or are you like me and you hate shrinkage and you just want like a fuller look? Let me know down in the comments. So this doesn't smell like anything. Yeah, it really doesn't. It has like a faint smell of coconut, I guess, but it's nothing crazy. So if there's any product, like if you hate coconut, I mean, I don't know why you've made it this far, but if you hate coconut, this is probably like the product that you would probably want to use. Yeah, like it really doesn't smell like anything. So I'm not putting much on my hair. I'm honestly just like going a little bit at a time, and I'm focusing more on my ends. Just because the leave-in was a lot thicker, and I just don't want too much product weighing down my hair, like causing too much shrinkage. So I'm just putting a little bit on just for the shine. All right, so this is what we're looking like. Doesn't look bad. There's no frizz. I broke up the curls so we have more volume. What do we think? All right, I'm so nervous, I'm not gonna lie, but I'm gonna go ahead and diffuse really quick and I'll be right back. And the results are in, y'all. What do we think? Oh my goodness, I am honestly so surprised, not gonna lie. I really thought that my hair was gonna be like up to here because that curl cream was so thick. I was a little nervous, but here we are, fully diffused, close to fully diffused, and fully fluffed. Oh my goodness. And the shine, guys, like this light, I mean my window, is not doing my hair any justice whatsoever because my hair is super shiny and the definition is so nice. Like the definition is insane. I'm obsessed. Oh, and look, like my hair is still pretty long. Like, I mean, my hair is like not super long to begin with, but like That's a lot for me, okay? Okay, enough of me chit-chatting. Let me go ahead and give you guys my honest opinion on Aunt Jackie's Curl Cream Recipes line. Honestly, I'm amazed. This line is for literally all curl types, and it does such a great job. Oh my gosh, like my hair does feel so super moisturized. It looks super moisturized, and it feels super healthy. I mean, my hair right now is at a very healthy point. Buttercream Intensive Moisture Sealant. This had me nervous in the beginning, I'm not gonna lie, because of how thick it is. Like, look at this. Like, she's a thick girl. And I'm just super shocked. I definitely feel like this wash and go is going to last because of how thick this cream is, and then the gel is also not the lightest gel on the market. I mean, it is pretty light, but all in all, I enjoyed this tremendously. I would honestly give this a solid 8 out of 10. The smell's not great, but you don't really smell it. The gel, I'm amazed by this gel because it looks kind of thick, but once I was scrunching my hair, I did that off camera, I scrunched a little bit, like, you feel basically the gel kind of turn into water, and I don't find a lot of gels that do that like kind of are almost like very water-based, and still provide all that moisture, all that hydration. So honestly, this is definitely going to be one of my top gels that I'm going to gravitate towards because of how nicely it kind of holds my hair, how shiny it is, and how lightweight it is. It's definitely frizz control because I fluffed like crazy. Mind you, I don't usually wait for my hair to dry 100% when I diffuse because I am that impatient, and I fluff like crazy, and honestly my hair is like not frizzy, not even in the slightest. And usually I get like a minimal amount of frizz during like around my crown area, which I am perfectly fine with, but I honestly have no frizz whatsoever, and I manipulated my hair a lot. So this gel definitely does what it says it does, and I would give this honestly a 10 out of 10. These are my honest reviews on these products, and I am blown away. So if you haven't tried Aunt Jackie's coconut cream recipes, then I highly suggest that you try them out because this line is amazing. I love it. But again, if you don't like coconut, I would not grab this at all because every single one of these products smells like coconut, with the exception of maybe the Curl Boss gel that it has like a hint of coconut, but you can't really smell it. But the other products definitely smell like coconut, so if you don't like the smell of coconut, do not grab these products. So let me know down in the comments what you think about my results, and would you use these products? Are you into coconut? Are you super heavily against coconut? Because I understand, but I'm in love with this wash and go, so please let me know what you think in the comments down below. Don't forget to hit that like button if this video was helpful or if you enjoyed it in the slightest, and subscribe to see more videos like this one. And if you're looking for more wash and goes, go ahead and check out my Curlsmith strength recipe video. Bye!